Hi, I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder of Nimble. We're the award-winning makers of child-friendly, plant-based and non-toxic cleaning products. I came up with the idea for Nimble when my sister had a baby and told me how difficult it was to wash baby bottles. Using washing up liquid, baby bottles become smelly and heated milk sticks to the sides, making them a pain to clean. In fact, 80% of mums say they experience this problem.
When we met, he pulled out this milk bottle that hadn't been washed for 2 days. So we unscrewed it and it absolutely stunk. He put a bit of water into it, a few squirts of milk buster, and the milk just dropped to the bottom and the smell had completely gone. It was just like a magic trick.
As a scientist, I looked into the ingredients in some of my niece's cleaning products, and I was shocked by how they contained so many harsh petroleum-based chemicals. After a search through parent blogs and forums, I realized the problem was widespread, and not a single brand was addressing them. With my background as a chemist, and having worked with Unilever, I used my knowledge to formulate and test cleaning products that were powered by plants, contained no harsh chemicals, and actually got the job done.
So I guess when I first started using Nimble, I was worried that it maybe wouldn't clean as well as what I was using before. But I didn't need to worry. Things are just as clean and I don't have to worry about what chemicals I'm putting near my daughter.
I came up with Milk Buster first, which makes it effortless to wash milky bottles, sippy cups, utensils, breast pumps, and even coffee machines and protein shakers. I raised funds through angel investors to bring it to market and have since launched the Laundry Lover baby detergent and Sticky Stopper antibacterial spray. The huge global cleaning products market is set to enjoy significant growth. In particular, the market for baby cleaning products is growing even faster. And with the health and environmental impacts of harsh chemicals in cleaning products becoming increasingly apparent, more and more people are switching to natural alternatives. Our range is now being sold in Boots, Ocado, and Amazon. And I'm very proud to say that from December, our products will be sold in 375 Sainsbury's stores.
So I've invested in many retail companies. Very rarely do you get such an opportunity. Mostly you get allocated into 80 stores as a trial. The fact that they're allowing him to come into 375 just shows that actually they have a real faith in the product, and the fact that we've got a number of products still waiting to be launched. I think that's what the supermarkets are looking for, and I think who would want to be using chemicals around the house, not just for their babies, but if you had a product which was chemical free but would clean just as well as, if not better, then I don't think there's no reason why everybody shouldn't be using it, to be honest.
So, we are now raising funds to launch with a bang and get every home using safe cleaning products for kids.